This is Miss Pearly Grandson, your favorite meteorologist, and the humble man with a clothesline in America, and this are her cultural meteorological update. This update are brought to you by Tap Tap Send. Send money without the hassle, get more bang for your buck, no transfer fees, and we are learned recently that cash pickup are now available. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, sun a shine, but things not bright. Pat a boil, bickle not enough. River flood, but water scarce ya. Rain a fall, but dirty tough. And that hard.
Remember the Mike.
Sorry. And that hard the reason why you must send back your remittance to Jamaica using the Tap Tap Send app. Because Tap Tap Send, ladies and gentlemen, are not a regular app. Oh no! When you are send money to Jamaica for the first time using my code MPG10, the person what are receiving the money into Jamaica gets $10 more spending money. What that are mean, ladies and gentlemen, is that when sun shine out a yard ya, things will look brighter. When pat a boil, bickle will look nuffer. When river flood, water not so scarce, and when rain a fall, dirty little suffer. Tap Tap Send from foreign, whether America or Canada, and soften up the dirty for your mother, your father, your sister, and your brother.